783. Let's fucking go. Okay, so down here, const macros by system in the PIGTILE constants, we made a mistake. This needs to be a 0. What the fuck was I thinking, right? Because otherwise, these are just one-filled graphics. So that's fixed. Okay. In our helper function that generates a serial number as a placeholder for a tile graphic, in the square gradient code, we were forgetting something. And it's right down here. You know, after we do all those calculations for what the pixel needs to be, we need to actually set the fucking pixel, right? So here's the byte address of the first byte of our 4-byte pixel, and then we're going to relatively offset to the correct color channel that this graphic belongs on. 0, 1, 2, 3 for red, green, blue, alpha. The luminosity goes into here because we're creating, like, you know, it's only one color channel. So we don't have red, green, and blue, we just have luminosity, right? Okay, cube pixel is an alias for Pix2048, by the way. Okay, phantom of the bitmap. Our bitmap does exist. This was just a sanity check because I was losing my shit. Grab binary pixel. This formula is finally correct. We fixed the transposition bug right here, and also we need to floor this. By not flooring this, this ends up as a floating point, this ends up as a floating point, and then our error checks pass because we're still within bounds, but then for some reason, even though we're within bounds, we get undefined, and we're like, oh, maybe the lookup table doesn't exist. No, it exists. Oh, and we're within range? What the fuck is going on? Yeah, if you put a floating point in a lookup table, you're going to get undefined out. So now we have our binary pixel, and this little Bill Cosby check is now passing. Now, I did write this extra checking logic because I wanted to log out some information, and when I logged out this information, I don't know, I just dug deeper and realized what I had done wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I wanted to know what this value was, and it was undefined, and that kind of clued me into the problem being somewhere around here or related to this. That's what happened. I don't know. Okay, what we did previously, and then our footnotes and stuff, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, Ninja Playlist 8, you're on Kanji Playlist 8. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me, down here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch and documenting every single line of code. Like, subscribe, follow.